Hey everyone, welcome to the Harmony Marketplace SDK Workshop. It's been run by Blockcoders. We're very lucky to be joined by Jose and Fernando today. Welcome to both of you. Thanks for being here. Basically, Danny, your program manager, he is out of office today, so I'm just filling in for him. So if you've got any questions, need any help, want to book a call, please book a call with him. He'll be more than happy to kind of run over any kind of help you might need, discuss some projects, maybe some ideation. But it's been a great hackathon so far. Obviously, it started this week, and we're super excited for kind of what's to come. But more so, we're very excited for this workshop. So kind of Fernando, over to you and Jose. Good luck. Thanks for being here.
Hey, thank you. Really, really nice to meet you. I'm happy to be here. I'll talk about a little bit about Blockcoders first, just for you to know us. We are a little team, but we are starting to grow. We have been working on the crypto space for a few years now, and we create SDKs and libraries to improve all the projects that we believe in. And when we met Harmony, we decided to start working to improve the NFT marketplace that we have on the ecosystem, and try to create new tools for you to create new apps and make the ecosystem grow. We have been working in different projects for a few years now. In Blockcoders, we are a small team. But we are creating APIs and SDKs and all kind of tooling that we can create on the crypto space to start improving this and make it easier for developers to create more applications around the ecosystem. When we met Harmony, we decided to focus on the NFT side of this. Because we want to improve that. And well, we created this SDK that allows you to interact with contracts. The HRC contracts are following the same standard that the ERC tokens. And well, actually the HRC20 is the regular token, like other tokens that you can use to move money from different blockchains, and 721 and 1155 55 are for NFTs specifically. So let's move to installing the library. So basically, this is a TypeScript library, but you can import it from JavaScript projects and TypeScript projects like this. You also can import it from a browser like this. This is all in the documentation of the SDK. You can go. I will show later. So basically, what we need to do is to set up a wallet, so we can sign all the calls and transactions that we want to make. Here we have an example. This is a private key. Sorry. Yeah. This is a private key. And we are connecting to the shard0, that is mainnet for Harmony. You can import this from the Marketplace SDK and create a wallet. Once you have the wallet here, you can instance a new contract by sending the address, the API of the contract, and the wallet that we just created. With this contract, we are gonna send all kinds of methods that the contract allow us to make. For example, if we want to transfer some amount of tokens or some token ID to a new address, we can do it just like this. We have other examples here. This is for HRC20. But we are gonna do a little example with code later, so I will show you better then. So we can call the balance of, the allowance, the approve, the transfer form, and a symbol, and this will get all the information that we need. Well, what about NFTs? Sorry. It's the same. We can instance a new contract, doing the same with the wallet and the contract, and call the methods like this. It's really simple to use. And if you have any questions so far, please let me know. Sorry. This is a link for the Telegram channel that we have between Blockcoders and Harmony. So you can ask questions here later if you want. And this is the link for the example that I'm going to show right now. This is the structure of the example. Let's review a little bit what we have here. This is all the code that we have. So it's short because most of it, you won't have to do any of it to work with this, but I will show you a little bit about this file here just to give more context. This have the metadata for an HRC 721 contract. This is called Blockcoders HRC 721. And we are going to use it here because we need the ABI, for example. So what I'm going to do here is create some wallets and deploy a new contract and mint one NFT to one of the wallets. So we can start asking for the owner or the balance or the token URI. But you won't have to do this because, well, you're going to be using different kind of contracts that are already deployed and tokens that are already there on your addresses. So let's do this. Okay, so basically I created a new wallet here, as we saw in the example. I'm using DevNet right now. So from this variable that we have here, that you can import it from our SDK, you can access different kind of shards, like shards here. I don't know why it's not auto-completing. Here. So we have different shards. We have the DevNet one, so you can connect to the DevNet. I'm sending the private keys here, and this is an optional chain ID that I'm using because this defaults to mainnet. So if you want to use DevNet, you have to send the chain ID here, or you can use different if you are using another network. This is a default gas. This I'm using this just to make it faster, basically. And this is information regarding the token that we are gonna mint and deploy. So this is all to deploy the contract and see what we have here in main. Well, prerequisites, we have to have a contract deployed. We need the ABI and the address, have a wallet with some funds, and mint a token on the wallet. Okay. So after we deploy, we mint. So now we are instancing a contract here using the library. This is imported from the Marketplace SDK. Yes, so we are sending the address here, the ABI, and the wallet that will sign all the transactions that we made. So we have this contract and this owner signed contract because we created two different wallets. So we can interact with different addresses. We can mint to the owner address a token ID using the gas. And this will get the transaction, and you can get the transaction hash from the ID property. We are using Harmony.js. As you can see here, Harmony.js, and the library is using Harmony.js too to send this calls back to contracts, back to the blockchain. And well, you can use any of the functions like this. You put the token ID of this using owner of, and you will know the owner. This will return the address of the person that owns that token ID. Same with all this. And after that, we can, for example, approve. In this case, we're going to use the owner signed contract to approve the other wallet to transfer money, or in this case, transfer this token ID. And then we are going to call the transfer from that it's signed by the wallet to transfer from the owner to the wallet that token ID. And we can test this. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Great. I mean the terminal, sorry.
Yeah, I think we can see the terminal.
This is 10 p.m. run start. Is deploying now the contract. Deploying the address. I created this map here to map the address to names, so we don't have to see all the hash and compare if it's good or not. So the owner of the first token with token ID is Saul Goodman, and then here we still have one. We approve Walter White to transfer this token. The token is transferred, and the new owner is Walter White. And then we can burn it or now or not. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can reach us on the Telegram channel or here.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Fernando. Hopefully everyone kind of learned something, and please make sure you go and join kind of the Telegram group. I'm sure it'll be very, very helpful. Thank you so much for everyone for being here. Fernando, Jose, thank you so much. And thank you so much to kind of Blockcoders for running a good workshop. All the best, and enjoy the rest of your day.